We know our land. From the northern lights to the midnight sun, we know our nature. From the fjords to the ice cap, we know our landscape. From 𝐀𝐢𝐫 to 𝐀𝐢𝐫, we speak our language. In short, no one knows Greenland better than us. Air Greenland Group is comprised of Air Greenland, Greenland Travel, Hotel Arctic, World of Greenland, and Arctic Excursions. Together, we offer flights, accommodations, tours, and experiences with a goal of being the first choice. We have recently redesigned our logos to enhance our brand's strength and appeal, to demonstrate our unity and commitment to seamless travel experiences. Our redesigned logos draw inspiration from the natural wonders that surround us. The midnight sun, an ice crystal, the northern lights, an igloo, an iceberg, and a whale tail. These icons reflect our deep connection to our ancestral home and the environment where our children are raised. This is our home. This is where our ancestors lived, and this is where our children grow up. We want to make sure there are jobs, that our nature endures, and that we can be a proud nation with a bright future. If anyone knows how to live in harmony with nature as part of nature, it's us. Our people have adapted to modern times for generation after generation. Now it's our turn to do the same. With innovative technology and long-term planning, we must ensure we protect the environment as we welcome people into our homes. We are 100% owned by the people of Greenland, and we want to contribute to the development of our country. Together, we work to lift Greenland.